Well, g'day adventurers. We're here for another fish. We've been up the Pine River for do some prawning, and we've probably done okay. Have a look here. Not a bad morning session up the Pine. A couple of boats. The weather wasn't good. It was raining most of the time. That's why we're in the gear. But days on. Another reason that we went up there was to get some live prawns to do exactly this. A bit of pole fishing on the Hornibrook legs. So we've collected a few nice bait size prawns, kept them live, and they do the damage here. So if you ever get to do your casting for prawns, definitely use them for bait straight away. So that's the plan now. We're going to throw out these legs with some fresh prawns, see what we come up with. Let's get into it. What'd you have? You missed it.
I don't know, maybe a small brim.
Dave's missed a sitter. It's alright. Dave always waits for me to get one first, and then he starts catching. So I better get into it or he won't catch any. So the idea here is just to put your prawn on, float it back into those legs, try and get it between the legs. The fish usually is sitting behind there, waiting for something to come past, come through. The legs are, you can see the barnacles on the legs possibly, and there we go. Oh no, snag, almost. It felt like something grabbed it, pulled her in. Definitely something sitting down there. And then the prawn. You can either thread it through the back of the prawn, keep them alive. Give that a go. We'll take the head off, feed it down. I'll show you in a minute. There are snags on the bottom, so it's got to be careful. There, that's how you do it. See, this is what Dave wasn't doing before. Just feeding it back. Little brim. Little brimbo to start. Open the sesh. How many you got, Dave? Yeah. I need to count. That's probably a keeper, but I'm only going to keep them if they're a bit over around the 30 mark or higher. Got this very smallish sinker. I think it's a 2.0 or something. quite light. You'd think you'd go heavier here with this current ripping through. But see, there's snags on the bottom, so you don't want it to be on the bottom. But just sort of keep it floating at the top or above it, mid-water. Let the current, I'm letting the current take the hook into the legs. Yeah, so there should be brim around here, trevally. Flathead on the shallower sections, not here. Not here so much. And any other assortment. But brim and trevally might be the mains. Sometimes there's Moses. So he's changed up to the rig, put a trace on it. Might have something on this time. Oh, it is a Moses. There you go. They are here.
How big they got to be then?
25. Moses need to be 25, but looks pretty. Look, fish. It's another Moses. I thought you said you couldn't catch them.
Yeah, big ones, aren't you?
There it is. Something better.
Feels slightly bigger.
Another Moses. Still around that 25, 26 area. Snag or fish? That's coming, so it must be a fish. Something a bit better this time. That's looking like a keeper this time. Not something big though. Oh, Moses perch again. Oh, I've picked up your one. There we go. Only a small Moses, so very small Moses. Another Moses.
You would get bites.
Change it. Oh, it's got the resident brim. It's a Moses again, and it's getting smaller. Oh, gee, there we go. That's got a good weight to it. That's the resident brim. Oh, not. Oh, Moses. We'll be close to 25 this time. Another Moses. Can we get something different? There we go. There we go. It's just another little Moses probably. Another little Moses. Dave's picked up another one quickly.
Actually, get an undersized.
Moses again. Looks like it might measure this one. Might be close to 25 sitting there. Oh, I missed mine. Ah. No, I got it. Double hookup. Oh, there's a shark following it. No wonder it was on the move then. Yep. Something better. It's a shark this time.
There's a lot of weight to it.
Donk. Shark.
Crack it.
Oh, there. Get this up before the shark. Before Mr. Sharky comes.
It's a stinker.
It is.
Stinker.
Tar wine. Get out. Oh, that's a hit. Oh, he's missed it. Sitter. Got it this time?
I think so. Whether it got it in is another thing. Just a sharky. Nice well. Excellent though.
That's a keeping brim or tar wine?
The king of the legs.
Yeah, I'm between the legs, and you've just got one between the legs. From between the legs. Moses. Ah, come on. Oh, no, it's there, it's there. Yeah, there we go. Plenty of fish on these legs.
Yeah.
It's 26. Do you want to keep it? Picked up one too. Another one?
Bit of a,
Yeah.
just as a check to say okay, it's pretty close to what they want.
There we go. Yeah, it's just a checker. The Moses. It's a nice house. Come back to that. These legs are paying off. Plenty of fish on these legs. Another Moses. I missed it.
Quite a minute.
No. Oh, it's got a bit more weight to it this time. I feel like a Moses though. Hey, Brimbo.
Nice one. Good bird.
That's a good brim. pushing 30. That's how you do it, Dave. See that? Mr. Sharky's gone. Another mosey. 26. Rays on. It's got the mojo back. Looks like it's got some weight to it. Yep. Another Moses.
Moses are like nibbling at the line.
Yeah, they do have sharp teeth. It's only a little Moses, maybe. A little brim. That sounded alright. Little brim.
Even 10 out of 10 for the hit.
Yes, for the effort. Little brim. Brim. That's how you do it, Dave. This is how old. Good timing. Moses. There he is. There's a bite. You're getting a bite on yours. No, it's sitting on there. It's a good sized fish. Good size. I think. Where's your line? There's that big brim with tar one? Brim? Is that tar one?
Like tick.
Little fish tick. Sucking away on it. About to pick up. Dave now sabotaging me. Dave's connected finally. I had to pull.
Give me one more.
There we go. Brim. There you go. Let's have a look at what we got. Yeah, some Moses, some brim, some tar wine, lots of prawns. So good morning out on the Pine Hornibrook area. Those little prawns go off. Plenty of action as you saw. So can't complain about that. Can't complain. A lot of action and a nice little feed. So we're done, so we're going to head back in and check you next time. Let's go.